What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This is the Sonos Era 300. It's a brand new product from Sonos. They also have the Era 100, which is just basically a smaller version of this. And this is a premium smart speaker, connects via Wi-Fi, and it has the Sonos voice control built into it, Dolby Atmos, AirPlay, and you can also, it says made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod, but it literally works with basically everything in terms of Android as well. It comes in black or white. I have the black one. I love the unboxing process, really, really nice. So inside the box, you will find this power cable. Here's the setup guide, which tells you to connect it, download the Sonos app if you haven't already, and then at a glance, you can see what the different controls do from volume up and down. You have your previous track, next track, group, Microsoft's microphone switch to turn that on and off, Bluetooth, which you can connect via, voice services, and so on and so forth. All right, here's a closer look at the speaker. You can see the Sonos branding right there. At the top, you have all your buttons to control it with microphones. And on the back, you got where you'd put your power cord, you have your on-off switch for the microphone, and then you have a USB-C port. I also wanted to point out at the bottom, it does have brackets so that you can mount these speakers if you want and stand them up. And then it has the little feet here that are rubberized so it won't slip. So if you haven't already, make sure you download and install the Sonos app and sign in or sign up for your account, which is free. Now I already have the speaker plugged in and you should be able to see that green blinking light letting me know it's ready to be set up. So right when I come in here, it's already asking me to add it. So I'm just gonna hit add. It's asking for Bluetooth access, so I'm gonna hit continue, allow. For a quick and easy setup, allow microphone access to your mobile so you can detect nearby products, and hit continue. All right, next your Era 300 will play a chime with an audio pin to temporarily connect your mobile device to it. All right, it's asking me where I want to place this. So for now, I'm gonna set it up in my entertainment room. All right, it's telling me there's an update, so I'm gonna update the device. It's now saying that the Era 300 has been updated and added to my entertainment room, and I can continue processing. Would you like to Trueplay your Era 300? So I'm gonna hit continue. All right, tuning is complete. You'll hear subtle improvements in Entertainment Room 2 at first and increase the clarity the more you listen. All right, so if you go into the Sonos app and then hit the gear at the bottom right here, go into System next. Once you load up System, go to where your speaker is. Now, I did have it in my entertainment room at first, but I've actually since switched it over to my family room. It's gonna be a single speaker working on its own, but you can integrate it into a system like I did earlier, or you can just set it up as its own speaker. So I'm gonna click on family room. And what I did just to move it to a room was really simple. I just clicked on the room and chose family room, and then it basically just changes it to the room and the name of it, and it's all good at that point. But what I wanted to show you is you can also connect it to a sub, meaning a subwoofer. You can set it up as a stereo pair, so if you get another one of these, you can set it up as a stereo pair. But some other things I wanted to show you as well, because obviously this has Bluetooth and it has line in connected. So if you wanted to, you can connect a audio device to this, like with a wire, and listen to it that way as well. So that's really cool if you wanted to listen something wired into the back of the device. The other cool thing is you can come in here, set up your voice assistant. So you can either use Sonos's or Amazon Alexa or hit not now. And I'll just use Sonos's voice control. It's gonna say getting started. Accept and continue. And it's updating. This just takes several minutes, so I'll just let this update real quick. You also have this Bluetooth idle auto disconnect. So if you have something connected via Bluetooth, you can have it so it auto disconnects if nothing's going on with it, which I do like. You have your status lights. You can turn those on or off if you want. You can turn off your touch controls as well. Touch controls are at the top. You can just turn those off. If you have kids that constantly touch the top of that, you can just turn those off so you're not affected by that. And if you want to connect something via Bluetooth, turn the speaker around where you have everything plugged in. There's actually a Bluetooth button up here. You're just going to press and hold it. And you know that it's now in pairing mode. So you're going to grab your device and it shows up as the name of the speaker. So just tap on it. And now I can play music from my iPhone and send it to the Sonos speaker. So there you guys go. That is my complete walkthrough of the Sonos system in terms of how to set it up and pretty much how to use it. I will have a review video out, so if I do, I will link it in the description down below of this video so you can watch it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you want to pick this up, it's linked down below. It sounds great. Really, really good. Really impressed with it. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.